Keenago Holdings Limited is specialized in producing and exporting all kinds of bamboo apparels. Our factories are set up in 2003 after more than 18 years of development. Our factory has more than 80 workers and 100 machines. Most of our seasoned workers are in the garment field for 20 to 30 years already. Our production facility is more than 8,000 square meters. Our business principle is high quality, wonderful service, and very competitive price. We always place quality to the highest level, and we have a well-organized quality control system, as well as a professional quality control team. We have more than 100 stock bamboo colors available to meet with clients' small quantity requirements. The colors list will be updated every 2 months to make sure our colors are the most popular colors. These stock can make sure can meet the fast delivery and small order quantity. If our stock colors are selected to produce order, the minimum order quantity is as low as 300 pieces per color, 100 pieces per style, and 20 pieces per size. Our first clients have been working with us since we set up, and the reorder rate from the old client is much higher than most of our competitors. We believe our strength and sincerity will help us become your faithful business partner. We are looking forward to growing up with all our partners and building up a long-lasting and prospect future. Recently, we are applying ISO 9001 and SEDEX certificate now to promote our factory to a higher level. Sincerely welcome customers and friends, new and regular, from all over the world to visit and to enter into business cooperation with us.